How to use body perfume. Perfumes can be used directly on the body or apparel or both. For those with sensitive skin, it is always advisable to do a patch test on a small spot on the skin before using perfume on other areas of the body. To wear body perfume, hold the perfume spray bottle around 8 to 10 inches away from the body and pump spray once or twice directly to desired areas of the body or clothes. This process can be repeated to spray perfume on other areas as per individual preference and habit. There are some who like to use perfume liberally on themselves and spray perfume over a large area of their body. Others like to spray perfume lightly, only on specific spots. It is a matter of personal choice and habit. The ideal time to use perfume on the body is immediately after showering. The best spots to apply perfume on the body is on the inside of wrists, neck, below collarbones, and behind the ears, taking care to avoid spraying near eyes and keeping eyes closed when spraying on neck and collarbone areas. If you hold the perfume bottle too close before spraying on clothes, there is a possibility of the spray leaving a light residual mark on the clothes. Avoid spraying perfume near eyes and on open cuts and wounds.